Hey everyone, if it's your first time here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. I'm Ashley, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing or unbagging of my Target Registry gift bag. So let me just jump right into it. So first, look how cute this bag is. I've had a couple of these gift bags and I think that this is my favorite. It's super adorable. And to qualify for a gift bag, all you have to do is open up a Baby Registry on Target, and they will send you a little scanning code. You take that into Target and they will give you your bag, which is awesome. Target gift bags are usually the best. First of all, you get a bag, which is a lot more convenient than a box because you can use it later for other things. And my little girl, who is gonna be 2 on Tuesday, I'm filming this on a Sunday, got into this bag, so it's probably not super organized right now. But for starters, see, there is a coupon. They sent this Pampers package, and let me see what it includes. It is a changing pad, a decent sized changing pad, and it has a little booklet of discounts, some more information, more discounts, a pack of 6 sensitive wipes, and a diaper that flew out. Let me see where it ended up. And sadly, just a solitary size 1 diaper, but I mean, it's free. So next up is a sample of Pedialyte for women. I guess it's to keep you hydrated during pregnancy, which is good because I've needed that a lot, so I'm gonna try this pretty soon. Oh, fun. They used to send like a huge booklet of coupons, and now all you have to do is scan your little pamphlet and you get all of your coupons, which is awesome. Next up, I have a sample of Aquaphor, just a teeny tiny sample. And this is the advanced therapy. It's the greatest. Next, I have a pack of Honest wipes. I actually really enjoyed these with my twins. They're just expensive, so I stopped buying them, but by far I love that these are kind of textured. It's more like a cloth, and I don't think there's anything else out there like it, and I did really like that about them. And I have a onesie, a Just One You by Carter's, and it's a 3-month plain white onesie. Okay, also I have a Dr. Brown Natural Flow bottle. It's a 0-month plus, so I'm guessing it's like a slow flow. And I have another bottle. This is by Ma'am, and there's actually a little tiny passy included with the bottle. And my kids, my twins, who are 4 now, they would only use the Ma'am passies. It's the only one that they liked, and these teeny tiny ones that are included with the bottle were actually the only ones that fit my daughter because she was very, very small, and every other pacifier would cover her nose, and this was the only one small enough to like fit her tiny little face. See, we have smaller samples here. I have a Johnson Cotton Touch Newborn Wash and Shampoo, and then we have an Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion, a single sample of Boogie Wipes with a coupon on the back. And the last item is Lancino sample. This includes 2 breast pads, this includes 2 breast pads and 2 disposable milk storage bags. Okay, that's it. So that's everything that was in my Target gift bag. If you are pregnant, make sure you register at Target for all the benefits of the coupons, the discounts, and their awesome gift bags. It is definitely one of my absolute favorites because they actually give you things that you will eventually use, or it's good to have just to try out, like the bottles, because these aren't the cheapest bottles, or I mean, bottles in general aren't cheap. So it's nice that they will give you high quality things for you to try out. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this or found it useful, and if you did, show me with a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and like this type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go, and I will see you soon.